Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I'm on the road, but I saw some pretty big stuff happening with ZCASH, so I wanted to make a quick video to kind of let you guys know what is happening here, especially since a lot of people just took delivery of these really expensive Z15 Pros that are mining ZCASH. They're over $5,000 or $6,000, I believe, right now, and it's really disappointing to hear this for these miners that bought these machines, but let's just go ahead and get into it. So ZCASH crashed about 48% in about the last 24 hours. It's rebounded a little bit, but we went from about $625 down to about $300, I think at the lowest, $303. So it's pretty bad. Now let's go over exactly what happened. I've been looking around all over for information, and this post sums up quite a bit of the information very quickly. So I'm going to skim this and tell you guys about what happened, and we got more detail to go over. So stay tuned throughout the whole video. So the biggest privacy token, ZCASH, crashed over 50%, wiping out $5 billion from its market cap. There was a flaw hidden inside ZCASH's Orchard privacy pool. It's been there since May of 2022. It was undetected for 4 years. And then the security researcher, Taylor Hornby, used Claude Opus 4.8 to, I guess, find this exploit. And then also, apparently, he built a working proof of concept that successfully generated counterfeit ZCASH. That was on May 29th. So the bug was patched on June 2nd, but the confidence in the privacy token is pretty much gone at this point. So I feel bad for these people that bought these miners. There's more information. The problem with ZCASH, as you know, it's a privacy coin, so it probably is going to be difficult to prove or disprove that any of these tokens had been minted through this exploit. It's a privacy coin, so it's this wise advice post is saying it's impossible to prove whether the bug was exploited before it was fixed. And it says they patched it, but now they're exploring ways to verify the network's supply. So hopefully they come up with a way that's provable to verify that the network supply is proper and that there weren't any minted ZCASH tokens. So the internet doesn't take too long to make memes. I saw this one, I thought I'd share it with you. ZCASH holders, Luna victims, FTX victims, ZCASH holders are crying right now. And the Luna victims are gonna ask, is this your first time?
First time.
So the memes are already out there, and a lot of people are kind of poking fun at it, but it is a very serious situation. $5 billion off of a coin like this is nothing to sneeze at. And I said, I posted on X, damn, crypto be wild. ZCASH, seriously, I'm bummed for those that spent so much on the Z15s. So it's pretty crazy, all this stuff that's happening. Arthur Hayes, you guys probably already know who Arthur Hayes is. Many millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars, big bags of ZCASH. He said he dumped all of his ZCASH. He read about the exploit, 30% dump made him think, and he took profit on his entire position. He'll consistently reevaluate, and if his assumptions are proven incorrect, he'll rebuy, hopefully at lower prices. But if everything turns out okay, he said he would be willing to buy back at higher prices because privacy is still a very strong narrative. Now, the safer bet for anybody that gets new to crypto usually is Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't been doing well in the last 7 days. We're down to 60,516 as of shooting this on June 5th. So I try not to sell my Bitcoin even during crashes. I said in a video yesterday that I had took a loan out against my Bitcoin, and I repaid it before all this crash happened. I use CoinRabbit. You guys know that. I've been talking about them off and on. People keep asking me like how it's going with that. I already paid my loan back that I took out through Bitcoin. If you have other collateral you can put up, it's a little faster. Bitcoin, it took me about an hour to get my loan, to get my stable coins, but you can use other stuff like Cardano, Solana, things that are a little faster. So that's what I've been doing to save myself from having to sell my Bitcoin. You guys know that I am DCAing out slowly from my Caspa position 1 day at a time. That has worked out well for me so far. So unfortunately, the crypto markets have been pretty crazy and very volatile as they are. It's a high risk asset, so you have to try and be smart with what plays you're making. But right now, unfortunately, the whole market is in a bloodbath. Anyway, it's pretty wild times. Let me know what you guys are doing. I hope that you're doing okay. Unfortunately, a lot of these people that bought these miners, they were excited for a couple weeks, and they're just starting to turn on and turn a profit. And now they're down to $13 a day from $48 a day. So let me know what you guys are doing. Did you get a ZCASH miner? Are you running it? Are you selling it? Are you keeping your fingers crossed things turn around? Let me know, and stay tuned for the next video.